Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about socializing and small talk, the art of comfortable, friendly conversation with people you don't know very well. This is one of the most valued social skills in English-speaking cultures. Small talk is light, informal conversation, not about anything serious. Common small talk topics include the weather, the event you're both at, recent news, travel, food, and weekend plans. The weather is the ultimate British small talk topic. Horrible day, isn't it? Or gorgeous weather for a change. When you meet someone new, starting the conversation can feel awkward. Some easy openers include, how do you know the host? Or, have you been to this venue before? Or, are you based locally? These are low-pressure questions that most people can answer easily, and that naturally leads somewhere. Active listening is just as important as what you say. When someone is talking, show you're engaged. Really? That's interesting. Or, oh, I didn't know that. Or, tell me more. Nodding, making eye contact, and asking follow-up questions all show genuine interest. Finding common ground makes conversation flow naturally. Common ground means shared interests, experiences, or opinions. Once you find something you both enjoy or care about, the conversation becomes easier and more enjoyable. Knowing how to politely exit a conversation is also a skill. You might say, "It's been so lovely chatting, I must go and say hello to a few other people." Or, "Let's swap numbers, I'd love to continue this over coffee." These phrases are friendly and leave the door open for future connection. At professional events, socializing becomes networking, meeting people with a professional purpose. Here you'll want to exchange business cards, mention your field, and follow up afterwards. Today we covered small talk topics, conversation starters, active listening, common ground, and polite exits. Socializing in English is a skill and one that gets easier the more you practice. See you next time.